Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Today from exercise 1.2 question 1 we'll study. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. So already I have taught you in the introductory part how to find the prime factorization or how to do the prime factorization. The rules you remember that prime factorizations should be in ascending order and we always start with the smallest prime numbers. So let's begin. So now we have to find out the prime factors for 140. So prime factors we have to find out. So let's factorization is done in this way. So which is the smallest prime number, we have to begin from the smallest one. So if you see here, it's an even number. 140 is an even number. Therefore, the even prime number is, the smallest one is 2. So we can start with 2. So then how many 2's will be there in 14? 7 times the 2's and the 0 will come down. So those of you who have difficult to do directly, so you can do it somewhere in the rough paper like this. 140. So you try to do it this way. So with the 2, when you divide 7 2's are 14. So now when the 0 remains, you can write it in the quotient, because with 0 we are not going to divide the 2, so you can add it to the quotient. So what is in the quotient, that you will write down here. Now the same way, which is the smallest number, smallest prime number which we can divide, 70. Again you can do it this way. 70 we divide 3 times 2 will come 6. So we will have minus 1, a 0 comes down. Then 5 2's are 10. So you have to have a complete division, then only it is acceptable. So now the quotient you can write down here. When we divide with the 2, quotient is 35. So now this will come next number. With 3 not possible. With 5 it is possible, because here 5 is there, so you can divide by 5. So with 5 when you divide 35, 5 when you divide 7 5's are 35. So you can write here 7. So now 7 can be divided only with 7. So what are the prime factors for 140? For 140, the prime factors are 2, 2, 5 and 7. This also can be written like this 2 times. So you can write this way, and 5 and 7. So now the next also in the same way you have to do it. Now 156. So with what can we divide? Again it's an even number. 6 is an even number. 156 is an even number. Therefore the smallest even prime number is 2. So we can divide with 2. So directly you can do. Those of you know directly to divide, you can do it. Those of you don't know, you have to do it this way. So 156, when you are dividing in 15, how many times you'll have to? 7 times 14. So then 6 will come down. Then 8 2's are 16. So now 78 you have to write down here. 78. So now the 78, now again it is an even number. So again you can divide with the 2. So 78 you can divide with 2. 3 2's are 6. Minus 1, 8 will come. Then 9 2's are 18. So now 39 you can write down here 39. Now this is an odd number, 9 is an odd number, so 39 will come in which table? You can, the next prime number which can be used, 2, so we cannot, so with 3 you can divide. So 39, you divide with 3, 3s are 3, 0, 9 will come down, 3 times 9 will have 0, so 13. So you can write down here 13. Now 13 you can only divide with 13, so one time you will have 13. So what are the prime factors you have got for 156? The 2, 2, 3 and 13. You also can write down 2 times comes, 1 time 3 and 1 time 13. So same way now let's do it for this. 3, 8, 2, 5. So with what prime number can we do it? Here 5 is there. So let's see 5 can be, which are the tables you can get it? You can get it with a 3 table or 5 tables, but we have to begin with the smallest prime numbers. So between 3 and 5, 3 is the smallest. So we'll begin with 3. So with 3, directly if you do 1 time 3, 2 times 3 will be 6. So 2 times 6, so the 2 will be carried forth, 22. So 7 times 21, so carry forth 15. So 5 3s are 15. So if you want to, those of you don't know directly to do, you can do it this way. 3, 8, 2, 5. So with 3, when you divide 1 times 3, you'll get 0. So 8 will come down. 2 times 6. From 8 if you minus 6, 2 you'll get, that 2 will come down. 7 times 21, 2 minus 1, 1, then the 5 will come down, then 5 times 3, 15. So 1, 2, 7, 5. So 1, 2, 7, 5. So you can do it like this, you can, but the complete division it should be, the whole number should be completely divided and the remainder should be 0. Then only the whole quotient you can write down like this. So now next, this number, again it is, can be with the 3 table, you can divide them. So with 3, 1, 2, 7, 5. So 1, 2, 7, 5. So with 3, if you're dividing in 12, how many times 3 you will get? 4 times 12. Then 7 will come down. So 2 times 6. 1. The 5 will come down. 5 times 15. So 4 to 5. Can write down here 4 to 5. So now next, with the 3 can you, so with 5 you can try. Now with 3 if you try, is it come? So 3, 3, 10, 12. With the 3 table it doesn't come. So we will try with the 5. You want to try with a table 3, you can try, but it doesn't come. If you want to try, you can try. 4, 2, 5. If you are trying with the 3, 1 time 3, then 1, then 2 will come down, 12, then remaining 5 is remaining. So when you have to come down. So with, you can't divide 3 with the 5. Therefore, with the 3 doesn't come. So you have to try with the 5 now. So with 5, when you try in 42, how many times 5s are there? 8 times. You have 40, and then 2 will be carried forth, then 25. So 5 times 25 will get. So again, this can be divided with 5. So then 1 time 5, then 3 will be carried forth, 35. So 7 times 5 will be 35. Now the 17 can be divided only by 7. So those of you don't know directly to do, kindly you can do this way and get the quotient and write down the quotient. So now for 3825, the factors we found out is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 and to 17. It can be written 2 times 3, so 3 square, 5 twice is there, then 17. So these are the factors we found out for 3825. So let's do for the fourth one. Now this also we have to do it in the same way. 5005. Now here 5 is there, so we can divide with the table 5. So with 5 when you divide, you'll get 1 5s are 5, root 0 will come down, then 1 5s are 5. So again with 5 will not come, so let's try next ascending order. If we see 6 will not come, so with 7 it might come. So with 7 when we do, in 10 how many 7s are there? 1 7 is there. Then 3 carried 4, then becomes 30, then 4 times 28, then 2 carried 4, then 3 times 7, 21. So if you don't know, do it to do directly, please you do it this way. 1 times 7, you will get 3, 0 will come down, 4 times 28, then 2, then 1 will come down, then 3 times 21. So 143. So 143. So now 143, how can we divide? It can be the next ascending order, it will be with 8 it will not come because 3 is here. With 9 you can try whether it comes or no with 9. 143, 9. 1 times 9, 9 goes then 5, then 3, it will not, in 53, 9 table is not there, so it won't come. So it will come maybe 143, we can divide by 11. So 1 times 11, 11, then 3, 3, then 3 times will be 33. So 13 you will get it. So with 11 when you divide, you will get 13. So 13 can be done only with 13. So what are the factors? For 5005, the factors we got was 5, 7, 11 and 13. So nothing is repeated, so we write it only this way. Now let's do it for 7429. Now you see again in which table it will come. If you start trying this way, you start trying with it is an odd number, so you try with a 3, starting from 3, or try with 5, try with 7, 9, 11, 13. So when we try, actually we get this on completely, it is divided only by 17. You have to try this way. Try this way and find out where it is completely divided. It is completely divided only by 17. So if you want to try, we'll do it here. 7429. 7429. So when we divide with 17, how many times we'll get in 74? 17. 4 times 17 we get 68. So when you minus from 14, you minus 8, you will get 6. Then this 2 will come down. Now in 62, how many times you will have 17? 62 you can have 3 times. 3 times you will get 51. So 2, 1 minus 1, you get 11. This 9 will come down. So then you'll have 7 times 17, 119. So 437. So we get 437. Now 437, again you try with the table 3, because the odd numbers you can try with the 3, 7, 9. So if you try in which table it gets completely divided, if you see, you get completely divided by 90. So 437 when we divide by 19 in 43, we will get 3 times 38 minus 13, 5, then 7 will come down, 57, and 3 times no, 2 times, sorry, times 67, sorry, 2 times it is, 2 times. 2 times 19 you will get 38. So then get 57, and you will have 3 times 13 minus 8, 57. 3 times 19 you will get 57. So you get 23. So we will get here 23. Now 23 you can divide only by 23. So for 7429, the factors that we found out is 17, 19 and 23. And then see, we have kept up the order here. 3, 2, 5, 7 is in ascending order, if you see. So that's it. I hope children you understood. So those of you are able to do directly, you can do it. Those of you find difficult, you can do it this way. Only see that it gets completely divided and the quotient you will enter. So that's it. Thank you. God bless you.